What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the money management, and I just decided to go live spontaneously, so hopefully people do tune in. Let me just also announce it in the Discord. Yeah, markets are open again, so I thought, well, not again, but markets are open today, so I thought, you know what? Let me just hop on the live stream today, see what's happening. Do-do-do-do. So hopefully people start tuning in soon. I'm sure they will. But when you do start joining in, just let me know who's here. Yeah, when I do these spontaneous lives, it's much more difficult for people to tune in and everything because they didn't know I was going live and all that, but it's okay. We make this work. So as people do start tuning in, make sure to start hitting that like button. You guys know how it goes. You guys know how it goes. Okay, we got a first like in. Let me know who's here. Trey Green. Oh, did I respond to your late message? Ella, what's good? I need to get back to that. Make sure you guys hit the like. Mr. Trey, I don't know. I need to check that if I got back to your latest message. Make sure you guys hit that like. Okay, I need to get back to you. I can tell you a little bit right now what happened. We have, by the way, we have 2 viewers, 1 like. Come on, guys. But yeah, Mr. Green, I spoke to a couple people yesterday. Both of them have had their session with me last week. Both of them pay a bit of a higher price than usual, so they both prepared. Same thing, if we can keep it just one-on-one sessions and go through everything. But yeah, I'll contact you on Discord and let you know what we can do. If you would like, we could get started tomorrow. I have a session tonight and I have a session tonight? Maybe I have a session tonight and I have a session tomorrow. So we can just see what works best for you. You can let me know when you're free and we can go from there. But I'm definitely happy to talk to you and go through some stuff because we've got to get this market stuff going. Let's get this business booming. We need everybody to eat out there. But how's everybody today? How's everybody doing? Hope everybody has a good day so far. Well, a good week, let's say. Sounds good, sounds good. Yeah. Ella, how is your day so far? Do. Okay, I see the people are joining into the live. That's good. But I just noticed some people sent me some messages about some other stuff. We have 5 viewers, 3 likes. Come on, people, let's get this. Just getting up and ready for work. Yeah, the usual. Hope you have a good day at work. Let me know if you guys have any questions as well. I have a few things I'd like to discuss. You're welcome. I'm not sure how long I'm going to get live for today. because I do want to actually focus today and really make some money in the market, and really at least, well, maybe not necessarily make some money in the market, but really go through some stuff and analyze some things. So I don't usually do that on camera when I really do a deep analysis. So I might have to just go live maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours, not much more than that today. It's not a 4-hour one, it's not a 7-hour one today, because we need to start getting this market up and going, and I have some important consultation calls tomorrow, so I need to make sure I prepare and I know what I'm talking about. So yeah, this would be in about an hour or 2 hour live. All right, cool. We've got 8 people watching. I hope the market does better today. Me too. Mr. Green, how was your week? Okay, good. I'm getting some nice testimonials dropped in my inbox on Discord. By the way, if any of you guys out there are watching, I definitely appreciate if you could drop a testimonial, drop me on IG, drop me, if you can, in the YouTube comments if you want, but preferably Discord or IG. That would be useful. Okay, let's get this going. Ooh, these stocks. It's a weird start. It's a very weird start. So, if anyone's wondering what I'm watching right now, like right now, actually, like literally watching Palantir, because I have a price point. Okay, so actually, let me go back to basics. So I have a list of stocks that I like to watch, and if they go below a certain price point, I like to load up on them. This worked with many different stocks over the past 7-8 months, so this is why I stick to this method. So right now, Palantir, if it goes under 23.50, then I'm loading up. Right now it's at 23.80, so I've got my eye close on that one. Ticker symbol PLTR. So yeah, like I said, my eye is close on that one right now. Another one I've been watching recently, Plug Power. If it gets to $32, I'm loading up. Right now it's at $35.65. I actually bought this stock at $9. I actually hesitated at $5 and $4 last summer. Eventually, when it got to $9, I finally invested. It went all the way up to $78 this year. Remember, I bought that for $9. So imagine having 1,000 shares. You have $9,000 worth of that stock. You'd have $78,000 in equity. Well, now it would be $35,000. But yeah, what I said still stands. That stock was crazy. And this is why I'm saying I load up on specific stocks based on certain price points, because if I know a company is good, I know what they're doing is really good, and the future's bright, I will not even hesitate to load up on that stock. Of course, no one knows the future, so you've got to be careful. But like I said, I have my specific price point, so when a stock really does fall to that price point, I know, hey, it's no way going to stay at this price point. I'm going to buy in now. So yeah, Plug and Palantir are 2 of those stocks that I'm really watching closely over the next couple of days. Palantir I may end up vesting in today. We'll see. But yeah, just so you guys know, that's a little bit about what I'm looking at today. Okay, peeps, we have 7 viewers, 4 likes. Let's get those likes up. Let me know if you want me to look at any stocks as well. I need to check something. There was a stock I need. Oh, Tesla. Tesla, I have a price point of 640. No, let me check that. It might be 620. I have a whole list, so I can just look at my list now. I might even read a couple of them out to you. Actually, yeah, I'll do that. Oh, it's payday. You just got paid as well. That's a good start to the day. Yeah, let's go. Can you write those in the chat, please? Yes. I am looking at those Palantir and Plug. Please let me know if you have any other requests. I got you guys. No way. Some of these stocks, I'm liking them. So this is the thing, guys. I'm going to just give you guys a quick breakdown. When you invest in the stock market, you also got to get excited when, I know it sounds wrong, but you need to get excited when you see certain stocks at a certain price point. So now I'm seeing some stocks fall down. Even my portfolio is dropping in value. I'm kind of excited because this means it's time to get some good discounts. Some good discounts. Yeah, I'm liking some of these prices. I have a whole list. And again, like I mentioned, people get scared when the market drops, and I understand that. But me, on certain, like, I don't like the market dropping, but hey, there's also some interesting deals there. So, my friend just messaged me, market dropping. I hope it drops another 2% today. And that goes exactly what I'm just talking about. I might see if I can get him on to one of these videos soon. He has a 500k portfolio. 3 years ago, he had about, I think it was about 10k portfolio, something like that. I don't know the exact numbers, but yeah. So he's thinking exactly how I am. So I'm kind of excited, for the market to keep doing this, keep providing me with these discounts. Oh, what advice do you have for those of us who received our stimulus checks? Hey, the first thing you want to do, well, now jokingly, I was going to say the first thing you want to do is get my stock options course, which I'm going to drop in the description. But honestly, the first thing you do want to do is actually plan what you're going to invest in, because, so I'd say invest it, of course. And if you need to pay off debts or pay off bills or whatever, of course, cover those. That's always your priority. But Ella, great question. Let me just drop this in the chat though. If you do want to purchase, it's going to help you make more money, so that's a good thing. But yeah, definitely invest some of it. If you can afford to invest 500 of it, even that's enough. If you can afford to invest more, then do. But if you can't afford to because you have to pay bills or you have to cover emergencies, then don't. I see so many people do this. Then do not just go and invest it and then blow it up. That's the worst thing to do. I would say invest in stocks that you know about, and if stocks you can buy multiple shares, because it's no good if you can just buy, if let's say you wanted to buy Tesla, it's no good if you can just buy one share. It kind of defeats the purpose. If you can buy something like a different electric vehicle, like NIO, I'll write that in the chat, NIO, and you like electric vehicles, well, yeah, NIO is an electric vehicle company. It's at what, $42 now, $40? You can buy 10 shares of that, and that's $400. So eventually when it does get to 700, and eventually when it gets to $60, $70, well, yeah, there you have $600, $700, purely because you invested, $400 or whatever in 10 shares. I definitely think NIO is a good, let's just have a look. It's at 41.15 right now. I do think that's a good company to look at, NIO. I do like NIO a lot. There's a few different electric vehicles out there. Li, Xpeng, Nikola, which I don't really like Nikola. I'm not a huge fan of. But yeah, I'm big on the EV sector. So electric vehicles and charging stations, two things I definitely look at. BLNK is a good one to look at for charging station. ChargePoint, CHPT, is another good one to look at. I also like renewable energy, so all the green stuff I like. So even cannabis, there's cannabis sector. So check out, I'll write these in the chat right now. 1 second, because I think there's potential opportunity there. I need to check if I got my check though. But yeah, for stimulus checks, there's three sectors I'd really look at right now. Renewable energy, so that's your fuel cells, your plug powers, that sort. Charging stations, so that's your charge point, for example, which is actually a stock. Of course, your EVs, your electric vehicles. Again, NIO, Tesla, if you can afford to get a few shares of Tesla. Again, Li, Xpeng. If you want Nikola, I'm not a huge fan of Nikola, but yeah. Let me see. Sector, charging stations, and I said EV sector, charging stations, renewable energy. Of course, you've got your cannabis sector, which is kind of popping off right now. which reminds me. So that's Riot Blockchain, Mara, SOS. Riot's been on the rise recently. It did have a heavy fall about 3 weeks ago, but it's been on the rise recently. Yeah, Grayscale, of course. Grayscale Bitcoin. SOS. These stocks aren't doing great today. Mr. Green says fuel cell is a great buy right now. Tell me about it. Fuel cell made me thousands in January, and it's going to make me thousands again sooner or later, whenever it pops off, because I'm going to be buying it up. Fuel cell, if you can get it below 13 bucks, you're stealing money. For those of you who don't know fuel cell, ticker symbol FCEL. Look, fuel cell hit $29, highs of $29 last month. Right now it's sitting just above $14. I do not see this stock staying below the $20 mark for much longer. Quite frankly, I don't see how it could. We'll see, but right now at 14.15, it's a steal. Fuel cell. I need to get my stimulus check done. Thanks for reminding me. Don't let them rob me. Honestly, I completely forgot about that one. So I need to make sure that I need to either check my account or contact them. Well, yeah, they can't do anything about it. I'm just checking a few things out. I also need to check how the portfolio is doing, because it could be in for a big day. Oh no, we could be in for a... Okay, we're down 300 bucks on the day. It's not horrible. I can't complain. You know, I gotta keep going. But it'll be nice for a bit. One of these days, you're gonna see. You guys are gonna see. Everything's gonna start popping off again. We're all gonna be making money. We're all gonna be going crazy. We're all gonna be lit. We're all gonna be happy. It's coming. It's coming. Let me know if there's any other stocks you guys want me to check out. You know I'm here for you. I'm looking at these cryptocurrencies because I think they could pop over this weekend. I don't know. They could, but they might not. These cryptocurrencies there, keep those in mind as well. If you got a stimulus, don't be afraid to put some in cryptos. I think cryptos are a good buy right now. I think cryptos are a good buy. Since I'm new to your channel, try wait for fuel cell to come to 13. That's a good plan. Since I'm new to your channel, do you go live and tell people to sell their shares or buy now? I very rarely tell people to sell their shares, especially at a time like this. So to answer your question, I tell people to buy now. The good thing is when it comes to stock, if you buy now, you come back in 3 months. A lot of the time, it's usually up. If you buy now, come back in 6 months. A lot of the time, if you buy what you know what you're investing in, you're up. So you will see me more often telling people to buy now than to sell. I very rarely tell people to sell One time I would tell you to sell is if you buy something and it shoots up 20, 30, 40% within a week, and then by a month period it's already gone up, almost 100%. Of course, don't be greedy in this game. If you buy 1,000 shares of a $1 or $2 stock and it goes to $3 or $4 in the next month, do not be afraid to sell, because I can't guarantee you, but I'm pretty sure a lot of the time that stock will dip right back down to $1 or $2. There are cases like BioNano, ticker symbol BNGO, BioNano Genomics. This stock was a $2 stock when I first saw it. I was watching it. I finally invested in it at about $7 or $8. So it went up to 7 or 8. Eventually went up to I think $15 or $16, and people were still buying there. Now it's back at I think $10. Long story short, if I bought at $2, bought again at 5, bought again at 7, right now it's at 10, I would still be up. So I usually tell people to buy. Of course, if you want to sell, then feel free, that's up to you, but I very rarely tell people to sell. You will not catch me telling people to sell, unless you've got some crazy gains in such a short period of time and the stock cannot keep going up. Okay, BioNano is at 8.78 right now. My point still stands. I saw it at $2. If I bought it, 3 or 4 times, different separate times, I would have bought it low enough that I would still be up right now. Let me see what highs it reached. It reached some crazy highs in February, like beginning of February. So beginning last month. Let's see. Oh shoot. February 16th, it reached 16. That's intraday. I think it might have even reached $17 February 16th. That's what I'm saying. You buy, let's say you bought 1,000 shares at $2 and it goes all the way to $17. You went from having $2,000 to $17,000 in 4 weeks. $2,000 to $17,000. If you took profits and sold a little bit there, you can't complain. So that is the time I will tell people to sell. But days like this, when it's red, weeks like this, the last 4.5 weeks that we've had, almost 5 weeks now, where it's red, I'm not going to tell people to sell. That would just be because you're selling near the lows. You don't want to do that. If you buy a pair of $50 shoes and eventually they're at a point where they're worth $200, you probably want to sell them there. If over the few years, they become more, they come out of fashion and people don't really want them, there's not really high demand for them and they're worth $60 again, that's not where you want to sell them. You want to sell them when they're hot and people want to buy them and everyone's there looking for them. So yeah, again, sell high. So not at times like this, not at red times like this. January was a good time to sell stocks. Beginning of Feb, first week or two was a good time to sell stocks. During that huge bull run we had, yes, but now, not really. Did you guys really follow me on the Instagram, by the way? I hope you guys did. But if you didn't, please do go follow. We're trying to get to 9,000 followers. Let me see. Oh, this is always nice to see. Some nice reviews. Hey, keep the reviews coming, people. Ella, I'm wondering if you have Discord. Please let me know if you do have Discord. Some of these stocks are really just doing craziness right now. UVXY. I always look at UVXY when I want to know what's happening with the stocks. UVXY is an inverse leveraged ETF. So it does the opposite of what the market is doing. It's up right now. Okay. VIXY as well. VIXY. VIXY is also up right now. Let me just put that in the chat for you guys. Interesting. Hey, by the way, make sure you guys go write me a nice review if you can. I'd really appreciate that. Just send it to me on Discord or send it to me on Instagram. This is interesting. Strange day in the market again. It's like it doesn't stop. Any more questions, people? Any more questions? Let's keep it going. Yeah, you said look at snares. I know snares went up crazy today. So, for example, what I would do is watch snares over the next 2 trading days, so today and Monday. If it shoots up again, I'm getting ready to put a put option on it. If it drops heavily, I don't care, I'm out. I'm only looking for if it shoots up again and I'm putting my put option on it. Snares went up crazy today. Is it too late to get in? Maybe, maybe not. Friday was it 27th of January? I think it's 27th or 28th. Anyway, Friday 28th or 27th of January, GameStop shot up 38% in a day or 48% in a day. It might have even been 60% in a day, I don't remember. My point here is it went from like $39 to like $60 and everyone thought, okay, you know, I'm too late to get in. Monday, it went to $140 and eventually by Wednesday, it hit $380. I'm not saying, or even $480, I'm not saying that means the same's gonna happen with snares, but what I'm saying is it might not be too late to get in. There might still be room left to run on Monday. There might not be, but I'm just saying. Yeah, snares, I saw snares. I'm looking forward to this bull run, peeps. Trust me. I'm gonna make a ton of money. It's not even gonna be funny. I already did it once and I can do it again. Hopefully more people start tuning into this live. We have 8 watchers. We have 5 likes. We are having a couple new watchers in this place. We have 9 watchers. Present. People even tuning in at work now. That's what I'd like to see. We have 10 watchers. We only have 7 likes. We have 11 watchers now. Only 7 likes. Am I disappointed? Yes. Also, peeps, I just wanted to announce, if you guys do want to be an affiliate for me, please let me know. Drop me a DM, drop me a message. Let me know here. Go to my IG. Just let me know if you want to be an affiliate. I had 2 new people reach out yesterday who wanted to be an affiliate. I've got them set up right now. They're trying to sell. Please let me know. I'm trying to see something. Think about this, guys. We just need 48 people left and I have hit 2,000 subs. I may do a giveaway at 2,000 subs. That would be pretty cool. That would be pretty cool, right? Yeah, we're 48 subs away from 2,000 subscribers on my channel. So if you guys can help me get there, I would appreciate that. One weird thing about my videos is 74% of people, of like the videos that hit at least 100 views, are from people who are not subscribed to my channel. So I'm like, what's going on here? So if you are not subscribed yet, well, I think everyone who's watching now, I think is subscribed. But if you're not subscribed, grab all your different accounts, grab whoever you want, subscribe. Please do that. We're almost at 2K. We need to hit 2K by the end of March. You're over 700 subs. That's good. You're pushing. How long you been on YouTube, Mr. Green? You're only near 600. You'll get to 1,000 soon enough. 2 months and you're on almost 700 subs. What? That's crazy. What? It took me 2 years and 5 months to hit 700 subs. What? You're doing really well. You're doing really well. I'm good at making money. I'm not good at getting subs. Wow. 2 months and you're almost at 700 subs. Well done. Mr. Green, I look forward to speaking to you. We get something going. Okay, nice. I love when another review hits my DM. I love when another review hits my DM. Let them know. I don't understand. We need more reviews, peeps. If you guys enjoy my content, you guys think it's good, it's beneficial to you, go on. Leave me a review. You can leave me a review in the comment section of the videos if you want. Just leave me something. Tell me that these videos have helped you or whatever. But I like when these reviews are hitting my DMs. Alright, peeps. Some people just dropped off, I guess, because I was asking for reviews or I was boring you. I don't know what it was. I'm just about to book a holiday as well today. That means there's going to be no videos for you guys for a while. Hey, I made the money in the market. I deserve it. Is Ella still here? Save here first, Ella. Please let me know if you're still in the chat. It's Friday, peeps. You can't complain. I need that stimulus check to hit. There could be news of a fourth stimulus check. Be on the lookout for that. If that happens, you can see this market run up. Oh, we just hit 70 people in the Discord. Thanks, guys. Sorry I didn't drop off. I was in the shower, laughing emojis. That's good that you left it on. Just if you need to go do other things, make sure you guys leave it on. You know, let them know you're still here. Feel free to go and do other things, of course. I'm fine with that. Just please make sure you leave it on and it's cool. Oh yeah, did you guys all make sure you go and vote in the poll? Did you guys vote in the poll on what videos you'd like to see? Told you I was getting ready for work. You did say that. You did say that. But no, make sure you guys go vote in the poll. Let me know what videos you guys want to see on this channel. We're right now in neck and neck. Two things are tied. I'm not going to say which because you guys haven't voted yet, so. Oh, wait. Let me change that a bit. I'm sure you guys want to see me, not the wall. Is that better? Hopefully, we'll see. That's your link to go vote. Go vote. You guys don't vote for don't vote for anyone else but me. That's your link to go vote. Oh yeah, Fuel Cell just announced earnings a couple days ago, so I always get people emailing me who want to collab. I think it's cool, but some of these requests, like if you have 150 subscribers, like no offense, but come on, I've built, and you've been on YouTube 1 month. Come on, I built my thing from over 3 years. 150 subs. Not that I have anything against that, but you know what I mean. I think you guys get what I'm trying to say. Do you see what I'm trying to say? Let's see how Zoom is doing. Is it still in the 400s? I doubt it. Yeah, exactly, 315. That could be a potential opportunity as well, by the way, Zoom. If you guys don't know what Zoom is, well, you really should, to be honest. Are you only saying you'll collab with people on your level with similar sub count? Not at all. Last week, Wednesday, I collabed with someone with 500 subscribers. What I'm saying is, if you've been on YouTube 1 month and, oh, sorry, I might have not put it clear. People with 150, or at least the one example I was giving, had 150 subs, wanted to come on my channel and do create a video together, but on my channel. So pretty much I kind of see what's happening there. It's like, that's why I said I put in over 3 years of work. When you say that to me, I feel like you come in on my channel so you can get exposure to nearly 2,000 people, not because you actually want to collab together. Because surely if you wanted to collab together, you would ask me to come on your channel. That's what I was trying to say, by the way. Yeah, so that person asked to come on my channel. So they basically said, do you want to collab, blah, blah. And I said, yes, I'll be open to that. I said, can I have the details? I said, okay, I'll just explain to your subscribers like what I do and this and that. And I was like, wait a sec. Like, I have the whole email. I can read it to you later on if you want. And I was like, wait a second. No, you're just trying to use my channel to get more exposure, of course. Like, I can see that. But like I said, if someone invites me onto their channel and I see, how well they're doing, the work they put in, of course I'd go on. But I think it's just a bit, I wouldn't say disrespectful, but I'd say it's just a bit undermining having, 100 subs or so and then telling someone you want to come on their channel to speak. It's good that you're putting in the work and you're trying to make things happen, but you also got to be realistic. Like I said, I put in work to get to where I am, almost monetized. You can't just come onto my, like, you know what I mean? You got to bring something too, bring some value. Yeah, you get what I'm saying. Yeah, exactly, you get what I'm saying. Again, if you have 150 subs, don't just expect me to bring you on my channel. I mean, you can ask, like, which is what people did, but don't just expect me to say, yeah, come on my channel and speak, let me create a video about, what you do in that. Because instantly, you're going to go from 150 subs and your number's going to double, which is cool. But you got to also bring something to me as well. That's how it is. That's business. That's not me being selfish. That's business. Again, I went on someone's channel last week who had 500 subs. I did a whole live stream. It went pretty cool. It was pretty cool, but that's where I met Ella in the chat here. Ella says she's voted. Thank you. Make sure you guys all vote. This voting is close. This voting is close. This voting is so close. Wow. This market is not doing well today. Also, the people that wanted to collab with me were not wait a second. The position is right. Yeah, the person that wanted to collab with me was getting like 30 or 40 views on every video. Make sure you people hit that like button. I like these comments. Some people throw out a nice comment. It's a long day. Ella says she's off. Catch you in the next live. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day to you too. Are you on your lunch break and or you just? I'm trying to think. Are you just tuning in? But everybody has their dreams. Everybody has what they want to accomplish. So I understand if you just put in the grind. Oh, you're just working from home. Yeah, because a lot of people come on my channel and they talk about, I'm on my lunch break right now. That's how I'm able to, whatever, you're able to tune into your live. And most people come in on their lunch break or before work, like Ella was doing before work. There's one beast stock which I really wanted to trade this week. I originally bought it at $4. It's now at $20. It just keeps going up. How is it doing this? How is it doing this? Why didn't I buy more? I might place a put option on it. I might have to. It's at $20.39. I bought it for $5. No, well, $4.74. Wow. That's why I say imagine you buy 1,000 shares. If I had bought 1,000 shares of that stock at $4, it would have cost me $4,000 and now I would have $20,000. Just off that stock alone, by the way. That's why I say the market is crazy. Just takes you doing, it's up 6.34%. Just take you doing something a little right. Doing some research and understanding what you're doing, and then your luck can just swing. Your portfolio can just gain a load. Let's check out GameStop is doing. I bet it's up crazy. It always is. It's down crazy, okay. Let's check AMC. Down. Is anyone still here? The chat is falling off a little bit. I'm so confused by this market. CDXC is up. I'm not surprised. There's certain stocks I pick that I know that are always going to continue going up. I don't know why. Someone just asked if my one-on-ones are structured. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. If you're still in the live, let me know. I'll probably go on live for another 30 minutes or so. I've got some preparation to do for these consultation calls. Gotta get this money. Okay, let's get this money. Some people ask the toughest questions. Really makes me have to think. That stock just hit $21.20. I might have to get the put options on it. I really bought it for $4. That's scary. I might have to get the put options on it. Less than 2 weeks ago, it was $11. It's doubled since then. What can you say? You got to be confident with what you do. Wow. Wow. You have to be confident in what you do. I know this stock. If I can go back less like 46 hours, I was looking at it and I was like, why is it down so much? If I just, I don't know, bought it. Oh well. Oh man. It's so good, it's so good, it's so good. What the? Yeah, it hit its 52-week high. Disappointed, but it's all part of the game. It is what it is. Oh my days. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Oh my. Guys, I don't know what to do. I could have really. That's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's so good. Come on, people, let's liven up the day a bit. I'm down $500, but it's whatever. I'm gonna make a good day today. Come on, people. Maybe this is not the time to go live. Maybe I should wait till tonight. I might go live again later on today. What the? Is anybody still here? Is anybody still here? Do 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 do. Let's get this money. Let's get this money. All right, I think I'm going to end this within the next 20-30 minutes. We might go live again later on today, but I don't know. Okay, peeps. Is anybody still here? I've been live an hour and 5 minutes now, and I'm looking at a few different stocks today. As I was just explaining people, one of the stocks that I bought for $4 in October or November is now $20.15. It actually hit highs of $21.30 about 10 minutes ago. That's this 52-week high. Look, that just shows you guys what can happen with the stock market. If I had bought 1,000 shares of that stock, it would have cost me $4,000. 3 months later, 4 months later, I would now have $20,000, $21,000 just off that stock alone. So that's what can happen when you pick good stocks, when you do your research, when you look for things. And yeah, may the blessings continue to all those who got in on that stock. I'm still trying to secure clients out here, so please, peeps, keep me going. You guys know what it is. Still trying to, secure these clients. I'm trying to secure more clients, every single week. Someone was just asking me if I have a structure about my one-on-one consultations, and I was like, yes, I do. What's good, my guy, Mr. James? Any questions right now? Remember, stocks don't always go up. You can you can buy put options as well, because in case the stocks go down. I still got a lot, but not for now. Okay, cool. Feel free to ask me any questions. Feel free to send me a DM. You know the drill already. Me and you talk. Also, I would appreciate if you can do me a favor when you get the chance as well. If you could just send me a DM with anything you learned from my YouTube videos, from my course. Well, yeah, you bought the course, so yeah, please just a little bit of feedback. I know you sent a review in the Discord already, so that's cool. I took that, but yeah, another little review would really help. Honestly, I'd appreciate that so much. People, are scared to make the jump unless they see others make the jump and hear what others have learned, others' experience with it. Because a lot of people don't really know me. I'm not really known. Only got 2K subs. Not really a huge character, but yeah, people would love to get involved with me, but they just need to understand a bit more about what I do and what other clients have learned from my services. Puts, I'm scared of. I only know how to drive forward. That's a fair play. My biggest return of March came from a put option, from buying a put option. You know how it goes. Don't be scared to pull the trigger on those puts, peeps. I feel like I'm just going to buy the whole market now. Market keeps dropping, I keep buying. Don't worry, people. I'm gonna load up. Like, I think last few days of March slash first couple days of April. I'm gonna show you guys how to load up on stocks. I'm gonna show you guys how to load up on stocks. I'm gonna show you guys how to load up on watch lists. Sorry, load up on stocks at this point. So that's 6 trading days. We're gonna get live in the market. We're gonna jump at least 5K, maybe 10K. Actually, maybe more than 10K. I'll show you guys what we do. I'm looking forward to it. That's why I'm smiling. The market is down right now. I don't care. I can tell you a few of them right now, people. Tattooed Chef, Dropbox, Fuel Cell, APXT, Plug, Tesla, Gnog, Palantir, Workhorse. I'm gonna buy out this whole market. I might just buy out this whole market. Okay, so how put options work. Let's say a stock is sitting at $20 and I buy a put. Obviously, by now you guys know that means I think the stock is going to go down. If the stock is at $20 at market open at 10 a.m., that's cool. If I buy a put option then and by 3 p.m., the stock is at $12, you would have made a whole lot of money. If the stock goes around $21, $22, or stays the same, not too much would happen to your option contract. Of course, you would lose a little bit, but the real effects come the following trading day because of time decay. If it will eat at your, well, it's going to eat away at your stock option, but it depends by how much. But you need that stock to start falling as soon as possible, and you want the volatility of the stock to increase after you've bought it. Oh, sorry, after you bought the put option. But yeah, put options, you think the stock is going to go down. So the last put option I placed, as you guys know, CDXC, Chromodex Corporation, the stock was at $21. I bought a $17.50 put. My break-even point was $14, and my premium was $3.50. That stock eventually went to $9.80, from $21 all the way to $9.80. So, yeah, of course, I got like 140% return, a little bit more than that. That's what happens with put options. That time it took me about 4 days. It can take somebody 1 day, it can take somebody half a day. It doesn't matter. It's about the percentage drop in the price of the actual stock, so the underlying asset. Yes. Ooh. I might sell some covered calls today. That's always a great way of getting money. Hey, we're up $400 today. Let's go. That's the phone bill covered for 10 months. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. We're up $400 today. Fuel cells looking really cheap and really nice right now. Yes, it's still moving. Up 449, up 457. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 460. Let's go. Oh, sorry guys, I'm smiling because I'm almost closing on another sale. Mr. James, I'm about to thank you very much. I'm about to thank you. Hold up.